Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to blink multiple LEDs in different patterns using Raspberry Pi. We will also use a button to change the direction of blinking patterns of LEDs. Once the circuit is ready, we are good to go. I made an octagonal shape using 8 LEDs for this project. Now we shall run the program. As you can see, as soon as the program is activated, the LEDs start blinking in a specific manner. Also, on pressing the button, the LEDs change their pattern in a random order. Along with this, the direction of LED blinking also changes sometimes on pressing the button, which is a complete random event. Now, when I end the program using Ctrl+C, the blinking LEDs come to a rest immediately. That is it for today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one.